round number 2.
Otra vez serían como un... Pues voy a dormir perfecto. Nice.
Eso mismo.
Hello, hello, and welcome to our suites at Country Inn and Suites in Milwaukee, Brookfield West. As you can see in the room, there are two double beds. These are queen beds. We have enough space for 4 of us, 2 adults and 2 kids. Within the amenities here we have coffee, tea, water as a complimentary, and as well once we checked in we had some cookies as complimentary. More about our check-in process I will share later, but now let's see what we have here. Here we have a microwave and a fridge in case we want to prepare some meals here or if we want to warm up anything. As well, within the amenities we have storage that it is here, and there is also space for the storage. We have a TV, we have a desk in case we want to come here to work. You have a special desk where you can sit and work, for example by the laptop or in any case. We are on the first floor and we have the interior view. I'm super happy that we have interior view this time because our previous hotel from Chicago was in downtown and it was very noisy. As well, we have here the air conditioning. Dmitry is touching now the air conditioning to have a perfect temperature for us. Within the other amenities, we have everything needed for ironing the clothes. And here we have a huge bathroom. We have the bathroom. What I like the most about this room itself and the bathroom is the space. Everything is huge, everything is big, is how we like it, how we expect it to have here in the United States, and not something that we had experienced on the previous hotel. So here is the overview of the hotel. Let's proceed with the check-in process. First thing that we had a misunderstanding was that we went to another Country Inn and Suites hotel, that it is as well southern than Milwaukee. We had to go on the western side. And we went to another hotel. I will add here the videos how we entered that hotel and then how we found out that we don't have any reservation there. I was super shocked because I thought, oh my god, but I booked this hotel already with so much anticipation, and how to have another hotel now. The entrance was even the same. It is very similar hotel. Everything looked the same. Then at the reception it was super easy process because the reservation was prepaid and everything, all the data they already received and everything was fine. Now we have some time for the pool time. The pool time is from 6 a.m. till 11 p.m. and we will go with kids now to enjoy some pool time. As well, apart from this, we have the room with breakfast included. And tomorrow we will have the breakfast, our first day of breakfast. I will try to take some videos and to share more thoughts about it. Till now, everything is amazing. We are super happy that we arrived here. It is super cool. Everything looks nice. Everything looks clean. The staff is amazing. So it's now time to enjoy our 6-night stay at this marvelous hotel. I'm sorry.
Только не взяли?
Я готовлю.
Я уже... Я все...
Mira, estoy preparando la comida.
Это новый? Всякие торты.
As today we had our breakfast in the hotel, I want to share a little bit about the breakfast. It is a bed and breakfast hotel already, and the breakfast is included. There are different options of warm food, cold food, as well. Are yogurts, coffee, tea, and even there are different juices for kids. I would like to see first tomorrow and the day after tomorrow if the food would be the same, because it looks like it is with the same. So we'll see. It's not so rich like we are used in Europe, but let's consider that as well. It is a 3-star hotel, and the food is delicious, is good. Just fewer options to choose within.
Buenos días.
Look what a wonderful sunset here at our hotel. From here we are staying over there in that room. Both kids are looking for rabbits because we have around the hotel several rabbits and different sizes, small ones and big ones, and they are looking for them. Here in the hotel we have a special guest laundry room where you have the washing machine and the dryer machine. Each one costs $2 per washing and $2 per drying your clothes. Everything you should have quarters, you have to have coins, and in the reception they can change the dollars into coins, and you can come here and wash your clothes. As well, close by to the entrance to the reception, there is a small shop. You can buy tidy for washing your clothes. Very comfortable. On the other hand, I also wanted to share that in each hotels in the United States, you will have an ice dispenser, every hotel has. And once you do the check-in, usually the staff is sharing where is this location in the hotel. We are not used to use ice dispenser, but it seems that it is very common here in the United States, and a lot of people use it. Here is the entrance to the hotel. Dmitry is waiting me in the lobby. There is a business center, so you can see it and have it stay at the computer, print anything you need. Tomorrow is the last day in this beautiful hotel at Country Inn and Suites at Brookfield in close by to Milwaukee, and I want to share the conclusion of these 5 nights that we stayed here. It is super quiet. We enjoy the time here. There is no any noise at all. Cleaning is done one if you are staying long stay. The cleaning is done once in 3 days, which means that it is not cleaned every day. But still, we are happy with the cleaning. Another factor that we enjoy a lot, it is the pool. Kids enjoy the pool every day after the campus. I would say that it is an add-on amenity that if you are looking for a hotel where to relax, this one is perfect because it has a pool, it has a jacuzzi for those of you who want to have some fun at the hotel. About groceries, we have several groceries around. We have Walmart, we have Pick and Save, and within the 5 minutes ride, we have also Walgreens and other centers or other commercial centers if you need to. We really enjoyed this hotel, so I think that it is a really good hotel to stay by if you are coming to this region, to Milwaukee or to close by Milwaukee. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, thumbs up, and to leave a comment down below if you have any questions or you want to comment anything about this hotel. Thank you. Until the next time. Bye.